Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can trade with as little as 10 USD and make a reasonable profit. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, do what to subscribe, like my videos, share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. Now let's dive into it. Before we dive into it, make sure you have a verified exchange account that you can use to trade. But for the sake of these tutorials, we are using bybit exchange. So let's quickly go in without a waste of time. So all you just need to do is to make sure you have 10 USDT funded, 10 USDT funded into your wallet and transfer it as well to your spot account. Because in your spot account, funding your spot account, they are the ones for trading. All right. So then you need to make your choice. That is a choice of a particular crypto coin you wish to trade. Okay, you need to make a choice of a particular crypto coin that you really wish to trade. Now we're going to look for a particular coin to trade. Okay, all right, this HM against US against. Okay, let's look for a particular crypto coin to trade. Maybe we should trade where is it? Maybe we should trade bill. Okay, maybe we should trade bill against USDT, or we should trade mega, because I can see these two are into adverts. They are actually running advert on them. Okay, we should trade mega. Where is it? Mega. Yeah, so we're going to like actually trade mega now. The only reason we're trading mega is because mega is still have a low price and might also take a rational move in its own time. So navigate yourself to here, because you know a lot of things have actually changed right here on Bybit. A lot of features have been updated. You can see this you can see this place is for buy and sell easily, and you can see this place is for the candlestick. This place is where it's giving you this particular interface that you are actually seeing, those candlesticks that keeps moving up and down. All right, so without a waste of time, we're going to like click on this place in order for us to navigate us to where we can buy. Now you can see it. Okay, now this is whatever you funded will be available here. If it's not available here, that means it's not yet on your spot account. All right, so we're going to click on buy. We're not selling now because we don't have quantity of this mega yet. So we're going to go buy some quantity of this mega with just as little as 10 USD. So we're going to come to this place and impute 10 USD right here without the waste of time. So coming to this place, we're going to type 10 USD. Okay, if you type 10 USD, did you see the particular volume of this particular coin we're going to have? It's very reasonable. 10 equal to what? 230.8. You can see this particular 10 is equal to this 230.8 of this particular mega coin. So if you buy this 230 mega coin now, and this move slight a little to 0.05, we're going to make some reasonable profit for ourselves. So let me just check if this, for example, 230.8, going to sell it at when this particular cryptocurrency coin is at 5, and we have a mega of 230. You can see we have made 1.5. That is a reasonable one. We can start this little by little. And what about when this gets to 6? You can see you have made roughly 4. What about when this gets to 7? You have made 16. What about when this gets to 8 what about when this gets to 0.8 4? You can see that you almost times 2 of your money. Okay, so you can trade with as low as 10 USD and you can make a reasonable profit for yourself. It's very simple. It's very simple. Okay, so all you just need to do is to stay consistent and keep doing this. There are a lot of cryptocurrency coin you can invest on. You can buy instantly and also sell in 15 minutes or in 30 minutes that and you're going to make a profit. So by doing that consistently, you'll be able to double your funds and also make some reasonable profit in the nearest time. So we're going to like buy, use 10 USD in order for us to what, to buy this right now. You can either leave it here, and if you want your trade to be executed immediately, you're going to change this limit to what, to market price by clicking this little arrow. Let's say limit now to market price. So to market price, I'm going to input this particular 10 USD straight. Okay, I'll input this 10 USDT straight. Okay, so I'll input this 10 USDT straight, and I want to buy at what, at market price. All right, so I'll click on buy now. So the moment I click on buy, it's going to bring me this particular review that give me an idea. Okay, it will take me to this particular review that gives me an idea of what exactly I am doing. It's telling me that I'm purchasing this at market price. It's telling me that my order value is 10. That is, I'm using 10 USDT for this particular trade. All right, so I'm going to click on proceed to buy. I'll click on buy. Now my trade has been executed instantly. Okay, now you have seen that my USDT here have been debited by 10. So I'm going to click on sell here now to see what is available for me. Okay, so one of the thing about this market price is that it shorten some things. Okay, but if you want to buy the exact of what you want, always use limit. Okay, and in limit it will delay you a little, but you must be patient and it will come to you. Okay, now clicking on my asset, you can see that I have a mega running right here. This is a particular volume I was given. You understand? This is a particular volume I was given 229.670 after some little gas fee has been deducted, and this is the rate which I bought it, 0.04349. This is spot cost. This is the rate of which I purchased this particular cryptocurrency coin. All right, and do not forget, each time you trading, always set your stop loss, because it's very important so that you might not lose everything that you have. You can see this TP and also SL. I have dropped a lot of video in the past that will make you to set when you want to sell, and also stop loss means when do you want to actually go out of this particular trade so that you may not incur much loss. All right, so this brings me to the end of this very video. If you do have any question, do not forget to drop it at the comment sections, and I will attend to you asap. So thank you so much for watching. In my next class, I'm going to bring out the top 3 cryptocurrency coin that we're going to buy and make some rational profit without a waste of time. So thank you so much. I will see you in my next class. Bye.